Tonight is pizza night again. Happy days, here we go. It's pizza night again. On these ones, you plug it in, switch on, you press test, you press reset. This in the UK only. Little switch around the back. Flick it up for on, I do believe. My son said he wants it on the pizza set and he wants it on thin, which it is. 290, so I'll press start. There you go, that's ready. That's done, it's clean it up early, just get a little scrape. Right, here we go. I think I've worked out how to do the dough as well now. What's that one, Joe? A little bit overdone, you reckon? What's on it?
Yeah,
What cheese? Pizza Bianca. There's no
olive oil, garlic, herbs, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella cheese.
So when it cools down a bit, that was slice. We could share that, couldn't
Yeah,
we?
we're going to share that one. Yeah, Joe.
Right, let's have a look at Jill's one. Vegetarian pizza, Jill, your one.
Yeah, roasted mushrooms and peppers. And
Sauce.
There's sauce, a bit of Emmental I've put on it. I've tried different because I've got mozzarella chunks, mushrooms, roasted peppers, and a little bit of the herb seasoning. Vegetarian one.
Right, I'll whack that in this way.
Yeah, right in.
Go on then,
Yeah.
where's the peel? Go for it.
You do it.
Someone's going in. Problem is we're putting too much toppings on. It gets sticks to the old peel. I couldn't show you I couldn't film it, but it went in there all right. Look, it's nice. Shut the door. Press start. 6.5 minutes. I think it's too long. I think we should take it out after. We'll have a little look at about 4 or 5 minutes. I think. Right, I'm going to do mine now. Oh, that's Jill's vegetarian one. Rice is cooked nice. Yeah, it's nice. That is nice. Looks nice, doesn't it? Tasty. Right, let's do my dough now. All right. Lightly flour. Well, I've washed my hands already. Grab the dough ball. That's the top there.
It's been out since
Right, this has been out for 7 hours apparently, so squish it out like that. Create a bit of crust. Like so. I can't do the fancy flippy bit, it still feels a bit cold. Now apparently, get it to hand size, you just go like so. Now what you do, get rid of this flour. There's too much. Out. Turn. Out. Turn. It's about going big. Oh, that's it.
That's it, similar to what I did initially when I push it all out.
Yeah, you make the crust and then apparently it's like that.
Go too thin in the middle.
Yeah, made a bit of a hole, look.
Yeah, that's what I'll do.
I'm going to go thin it in the middle, but do like that.
Yours didn't have a hole.
That'll do, mate. Got a bit of a hole, but it's what it is now. Put sauce on. I don't think I created the crust to make a good big thread. Right. Toppings. What toppings you got? I'm in this, Jill.
What? Yeah, let's Joe. Give him Joe a cut bits.
There's only a couple bits there.
Right, I'll take it.
No, we don't need
Where's the
it.
cheese?
It's there.
Mozzarella. Should have put this on first, really. Probably have put the dominant now. I'll stretch it out. Alright, what else have we had? What's this here?
Fresh one.
I haven't cooked any bacon or anything, so
I need something like that.
it's ham.
This it?
What are you having on yours, Joe?
No, what are you doing? Just grow it.
Like
No,
Grab it
it's a
and
golden
chunk it.
spoon.
Yeah,
Just grab it,
grab it, chunk it.
that.
Yeah.
Couple lumps, yeah.
No, I chunked it up, yeah. Pull it apart.
I said I want it like that.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
where's
Joe, what are you
the
having on yours?
where's the pill go?
It's done it. It's ham. What ham? Huh? What have I
Still not as big. I wanted, but
done any meat, have I? Chinese chicken. Or just plain chicken. Or with mushrooms. not, you can just have plain ones. I don't think you need to roast them, look.
There you go.
I prefer mine a bit hard. I see, you've turned the edges up a bit.
Right, really, there's a
You
hole
have some
there. Look.
herbs on it.
There's a hole there. Great. Yeah, where's the herbs gone? Sprinkle the herbs.
Yeah, just sprinkle them to come out quite large. Be careful.
Grab.
No, just sprinkle them.
Smells lovely. Right, well, in the oven, got a hole in the middle though, look. Still didn't stretch properly. I don't think the water felt cold to the touch to me. Right, let's go. Right, see if we can get this in. It's got a bit of a hole. That's it. Done. Pressed out. Smells nice. That's thin pizza setting, 290, 6.5 minutes. We took the other one, the Jill's vegetarian one out, but I think it took out 6 minutes, I think Joe said. So we'll see how this goes. The old dough still didn't stretch out as much as I wanted to. It's harder than it bloody looks, you know, when you watch these people on the internet do it. I don't know what the knack is. It still didn't feel to me warm to the touch, room temperature. It just still didn't feel warm enough. We'll see. Keep practicing, keep practicing. It's stretched out alright. We'll have a look what it's like when it comes out, but I'll have to check. There's a couple of people on the internet do pizzas for a living. I'll have to check to see what size dough balls they use, because they make their own dough balls compared to the size of these dough balls we've been buying. I mean, these people, they tell you that they're for 12-inch pizzas, but are they? You know, you don't know. I have to check up on the websites, find out what size the dough balls are, to be fair, and then I'll have to work it out from there. But we'll have a look in a minute. Pizza will be out in a minute, and we'll see how it comes out. All right. Anybody got the phone number for Domino's Pizza? I ain't gonna fill me up. Look, Joe's well, look, that's the nuts.
Yeah, first time.
Oh well. Go on. Should I run that in? That's it. Nice. Is that nice? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect. That's another successful pizza evening with the old Ninja outdoor oven. Still can't stretch those doughs properly. I didn't realise they weren't the same doughs we had before. They ones we got from Ocado or something, but they didn't stretch out quite as good. But I've got one pizza though left from the East Pizza Company, whatever it's called. I'm gonna get another load of them delivered, I think, and let's see how we get on. But Joe's pizza looked nuts. Mine had a great, bloody great hole in the middle. It started out small, but it's just expanded. Bloody great hole in the middle. But it tastes lovely anyway. And Joe's ones looks nuts. Thank you for watching, people. Until next time. Sort of bore you with these pizza videos, but great fun. Cheers. Bye bye. It's pouring down rain now, so I've got to unplug this quick. Leave the cover up. I want to unplug it because, although we're under the gazebo, the rainwater does get on the external socket there that I've got up on the wall. So anyway, see you in a bit. Bye bye.